how does clenching and grinding affects your smile? Data, regardless of cultures and ethnicity, shows the first thing people see in your face is your smile. When we clench and grind, that smile changes and you look much older than your age. I'm Dr. Maryam Horiyat at Aria Dental, a holistic, integrative cosmetic dental practice in South Orange County of California. When we clench and grind our teeth, multiple things happen. One is that we have collagen in our gum and our teeth are held together by our jawbone. When we clenching and grinding, we put too much forces on our teeth. This force makes the collagen reduction and actually jawbone loss. When the jawbone shrink, it appears as a gum recession. When the gum recession happens, your teeth looks longer and misshaped. Therefore, you lose the beauty of your young or youth smile. The other thing that can happen as we age, inside of our teeth, we have an area called pulp where there is nerve and circulation. As we aging, this pulp gets smaller and smaller and the tooth looks less vital. So when we clenching and grinding, this pulp constriction speeds up. Therefore, our teeth looks less vital. And because of that, it looks much older. The other thing that can happen when we clench and grinding is that we chip or break our teeth faster. Chipping and breaking our teeth faster is a sign of aging. So by clenching and grinding your teeth, you end up looking much older than your age. When we clench and grind our teeth wears down faster and they get shorter. As a result, we overclose our mouth. When we close our mouth, because our brain ultimately wants our teeth to come together, our lips and our soft tissue and cheeks sink in. When they sink in, we look much older and the smile gets affected negatively. In my future videos, I'm going to talk about how we can prevent clenching and grinding, what causes clenching and grinding, how we can protect our teeth from clenching and grinding, and if already worn teeth has happened, how we can restore our teeth so our smile looks younger and ultimately we look younger than our age. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at Aria Dental at 949-364-9600, or you can subscribe, like, and share for our future videos.